Got a pup that pees everywhere or still hasn't mastered potty training? No worries. Just pop one of these diapers on and problem solved. They're designed with super absorbent materials and leak-proof protection, so they soak up fast with zero wetness seeping back. One lasts all day, keeping your pup dry and comfy without restricting movement. Plus, the stretchy fit and multiple sizes mean even after a big meal, there's no tight belly squeeze. And right now, it's only 46% of the original price. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the time.